Hello again, welcome back to my channel, Lucky Bamboo. Thank you for watching. Today we're gonna do a simple recipe. Uh, Hello again, welcome back to my channel, Lucky Bamboo. Uh, Thank you for watching. Today we're gonna do a simple mango salad with dry shrimp. And the ingredient we have here is like one mango, one large mango. Preferably you want green mango, but this a little yellow, but it's still firm, and some dry shrimps, maybe an ounce, 2 ounces of dry shrimps, some Thai chili pepper, some cilantro, fish sauce. Let's chop up the mango. This is how I chop up the mango. You just use a knife and you just do it like this. You just shred it like that. That's all you need to do. It's easy to do. Just this is how you shred up the mango. You do like that. It's easy to do. This mango is a little ripe, but that's okay. It's still good. But you would prefer to have like a green mango. It's very healthy. Green mango, mango salad, very healthy. Okay, that's it. Now with the dry shrimp, you want to wash it a little bit because dry shrimp usually have some sand or some impurity, and you want to wash it a little bit, rinse it off. So wash a little bit with water. All right. After you wash it, dry shrimp, we're gonna grind it up with. Okay. So just put the dry shrimp on top of the mango. Just mix it up. Because the dry shrimps already have some salt in it, so make sure you don't. It's already salty already in the dry shrimp, so make sure you don't add too much salt to the mango. Okay. Put a little bit of sugar. Not too much, half a tablespoon of sugar. That's all you need, not too much. The mango is already sweet already. Mix it up. And put some fish sauce in there. A little bit of fish sauce, not too much, because maybe half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Not too much. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and now Thai chili. Okay, I put some Thai chili on, and let's chop up the cilantro to garnish it. So this is the final product, mango salad with dry shrimp. So let me taste a little bit. Oh, pretty good, very good. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Please support the channel by subscribing and hit the like button. And give me any comment if you comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try this recipe at home. This is mango salad with dry shrimp. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.